Hello. Hey guys, this is Kevin. Just checking in really quickly. You can look up this way a little bit. Hey, just checking in real quick. Wanted to just do a quick update. I will be attending Cisco Live this year. Yes. What a crazy year it's been. So I guess over the past 2 years, 2 years, year and a half. um, I don't know, year and a half. Started getting my Cisco certifications last year, got that all taken care of last year with the CCNP. Currently working on an NP stuff this year. Um, and I'm going to attempt to take part of my NP at Cisco Live this year. I get a free exam with that. So that's one thing that's on the agenda. But I just wanted to kind of put a quick video out there just saying that I'm going to be there, and just wanted to get anybody else's thoughts on, whether they're going to be there, what they're looking at. A lot of my schedule that I'm setting up for Cisco Live is going to be, what you call it? I'm looking at SD-WAN stuff. What else am I doing? I got my schedule here. Campus QoS. I just really need a good, solid foundation on the QoS stuff, and just to get a good background in QoS. We use it, and I want to understand it a lot better than I do. So I'm going to hit the QoS. There's a couple of breakout sessions for QoS, and I'm going to try and touch base on what else is on here that I'm messing with. High availability, the SD-WAN stuff. That's mostly what I'm doing. And then there's actually a packet capture breakout that I want to try and get into, the overview of packet capturing. So I just want to try and get into that. Unfortunately for my the NP exam that I'm going to take, I'm going to reattempt to take the switch exam because I blew it that first time. But the stinky part is I have to wait till Wednesday to take it. So I can't take. I wanted to try and take it I don't know if they had openings on Sunday, but I wish I could have gotten in there and taken it right when I got there, in that first day before I get overloaded with tons of information that I'm going to probably get overloaded with. But at least it's free. And if I mess it up, whatever. But I have 2 months to really get what I need to get in my brain to go and take this. So I'm hoping that everything works out with that. But if anybody's going to Cisco Live, comment below. Let me know what you're taking. If you're a veteran, if you've been there a couple times, give me any pointers, as this is my first time. This has been a crazy roller coaster of excitement with career. I finally decided to go with the Cisco path. I've always been interested in networking, and I went from zero to hero. I don't know. I went from pretty much nothing, just doing a lot of cabling and stuff like that, to working in a big enterprise doing kind of network tech stuff. And then from there, while I was doing that, I got my Cisco CCNA certification, and then got my current position as a network engineer, and I'm working on my NP, and there's just a lot of crazy going on. We're working on some rollouts, doing some firewall rollouts in the next couple of weeks. I'm going to be messing with that. So I'm going to get my hands on doing a lot of firewall configurations, which I've only done a real minimal bit in my role as I'm going through now. So I just want to get a lot more comfortable with that because I don't like to touch the firewalls. I'll go in there and check things right now, but I will not change configuration. I'll just put in my small little pieces for when I do my branch updates, my branches that we build. But other than that, I'm not really comfortable going in there and messing with it. So hopefully I'm going to build a pretty strong foundation doing that soon. And then got some updates in our data center with just one of our LAN closets that gets a switch refresh that I'm probably going to be doing with that. Bunch of branch builds I got to do. I actually have one coming up probably this week. So I've been having a lot of fun. I mean, and the way we build our network, I get to touch a lot of different things. So we use BGP, EIGRP, and OSPF on all of our branches with how we do our failover, like primary and secondary connections and everything. So I get to play with a lot of stuff. And it's crazy because I thought I was a lot more comfortable in the switching stuff. So that's why I like hammered down with the NP switch exam. I'm like, let me go to that. I'm real comfortable there. But I just came to realize I actually touched the routers way more than I touched the switches. So I have a feeling once I get over the switch hurdle, I will be in a little bit better spot when I go in to do the routing because I touch a lot of the stuff like the route maps and the OSPF and the EIGRP and the BGP. Like I'm already doing that on a daily basis. Getting pretty comfortable with that. So I'm having a lot of fun, really enjoying. I'm so glad I finally did this. My job like allows me to work from home 3 days a week. So I'm only in the office 2 days a week. So I only have to commute 2 days a week. I've just been having a blast, and I'm just trying to learn and grow. I really at some point would love to get to that IE level in route switch, and I do want to take some of the security path, or at least be strong enough in it that I can do a lot of the network security type stuff that at least my job role needs. But I just want to be one of those people that just kind of has such a strong foundation that somebody can come to me and I can work through things very well. And I'm getting there slowly. And like I said, it really helps that I've been having a lot of fun with it. So, but yeah, that's all I just really wanted to touch base about Cisco Live Orlando 2018. And I will be there. So, like I said, anybody else who's doing it, hit me up down below. Let me know what you guys are looking at doing. Maybe we can meet up and just say hi. Maybe we'll have some classes together. I have no clue. And any tips for the people who are running around out there doing it all the time, who are the Cisco veterans, I guess, the Cisco Live veterans. Any tips would be great. What not to do, what to do. I know there's it's just going to be like a whirlwind of information, and I want to get the most out of it where I'm not brain dead, and especially put my exam later in the week. I'm hoping my plan is I take the exam on Wednesday, and I think the customer appreciation event is also Wednesday night. So I'm hoping I take my exam and then I can celebrate with the appreciation exam and not be bummed that I didn't get through it. But I'm just going to work my butt off the next month and a half and just make sure that I'm so prepared that even if I'm exhausted with information, I can get through this switch exam. So that's where I am. I just want to check in with that. I hope everybody's doing well. Comment, subscribe. I'm trying to be a little bit more consistent with doing videos. I have my office set up now. I have to do something about this bright light behind me, put maybe a curtain up or something so that the camera angle is a little bit better. But yeah, I am going to try and do this a little more. And as I do some of my labbing and practice, hopefully over the next month, I can make some videos just showing you what I'm doing and what I'm working on. I definitely have to work on like VLAN ACLs and private VLANs and some other little things. And a lot of the security stuff, it's just, for some reason, my brain doesn't want to retain it. And there's a lot of the features that are in this NP that we don't use. So it's all kind of new information, and I'm just trying to get it organized in this brain. But yeah, that's where I'm at. Again, hope everybody's doing well, and I am going to check out. I will talk to you guys later. Adios. Bye.